Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to block unknown numbers in Truecaller. Very easy and simple. I'll first launch up Truecaller, and then what you want to do is come here at the top right. You want to click on these three dots, okay? And from here we'll get a drop down menu. I want you to click on the last option that says Settings. All right. And from here, what I need you to do is click on the block section and just go ahead and toggle on basic. This will help with spam protection. And then what you want to do is scroll down. So here it says hidden numbers, right? Make sure this is toggled on. So any unknown number will be blocked, okay? And any number that is private also will be blocked. So it's really that easy and simple.